Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the file into the check and correct calculator and verifying the data types. Once the import completes, scan the preview pane for misaligned columns and obvious encoding issues. This prevents false errors. You then select Auto Check for quick passes or Manual for controlled edits and set rounding preferences and language. Make sure to save a backup copy before proceeding. This protects original numbers and lets you revert if automatic fixes misinterpret formatting. You run the full validation suite, so the calculator tests syntax, numeric ranges, duplicates, and cross-field rules. As flags populate, filter by severity to handle critical errors first and collapse low-risk suggestions. Once comfortable, apply batch fixes for consistent issues like trimming whitespace or converting dates, and switch to individual edits for ambiguous cases. You'll want to set undo checkpoints after each major batch, so you can step back if a correction introduces new conflicts. You finish by exporting the clean dataset and including the changelog so every modification is traceable. Once exported, validate by spot-checking about 20 random rows and verifying totals or calculated fields to confirm integrity. If discrepancies appear, open the changelog, revert to the nearest checkpoint, and rerun the targeted checks after adjusting the validation rule or tolerance. This targeted troubleshooting keeps you from redoing the entire workflow and preserves corrected work while resolving remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.